Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you how to understand the Google privacy and policy on your iPhone. So how to reach the Google privacy and policy informations on your phone. You just need to go open the Google Chrome first. Okay, whenever you already open the Google, if you use it before, probably the page that will be open is just like this, the last page that you open on the Google Chrome. And now you just need to go click this plus button until you got this looks, and after that you just need to go into these three small dots. In these three small dots, go click the settings. Oops, I'm so sorry. Okay, go into the settings. Now you just need to scroll down until you found a Google Chrome information with the eye symbols here. Just need to click it, and after that you will have an access to go into the Google privacy and policy. Just need to click it, and now you will be generated into the privacy policy of the Googles. Now you can just understanding it by read all of the informations that pop up or shown into your screen. There will also a contents that you can access here from the introductions. You can also have a access to watch it either rather than to read it, by watch the YouTube informations that provide by the Google itself, and just need to scroll down or scroll up to back into the contents and just type what you want to read or what do you want to know regarding to the Google Chrome. So that's all the way how to access or how to reach the Google privacy policy to understand them. If you find that this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.